Hello Year 5, Mr. Hill here with your arithmetic for this week. Here are your questions for Monday. As always, pause the video, complete your work and press play when you're ready to carry on. Pause the video here. Looking at our reasoning question with our answers for Monday, in October there were 67,920 visitors to Legoland, and in November the number of visitors declined by 8,490. So to work out the number of visitors in November, we need to subtract 8,490 from 67,920. If something's declined, it's gone down. Completing that calculation gives us 59,430 visitors to Legoland in November. To work out how many visitors were in total in October and November, we add 67,920 and 59,430. That gives us a grand total of 127,350 visitors. Here are your questions for Tuesday. Pause the video here to complete your work. Here are Tuesday's answers. TLAP spent £7,689 on new school equipment in 2020. At the end of the year, there was £589 left in the bank. How much was in the bank at the beginning of the year? To work this out, we know that £7,689 has left the account. We know that there is £589 left in the account. We can add these two numbers together to work out what was in the account at the beginning, and that gives us a total of £8,278. Welcome to Wednesday Year 5. Pause the video here to complete your work. Here are your answers for Wednesday. There are currently 167 trees in Langley Memorial Ground. Workers are planting another 56 this week and then 10 times that over the next year. How many trees will there be by the end of 2021? To work this out, we need to use what we know. We know there's 167 trees already there. We know they're planting 56 more, so we can add those two numbers together. That gives us 223. We're also told that they're going to be planting 10 times as many trees, or 10 times 56 trees. So that's what we've got in the bracket. So we need to work that out before we can complete our calculation. And 56 times 10 will give us 560. We can add that to 223. That gives us a total of 783 trees that will be planted in Langley Memorial Ground by the end of next year. Here are Thursday's questions, Year 5. Pause the video here. Here come Thursday's answers. Looking at our reasoning question today, Mr. Hill read out 252 words from Matilda in 6 minutes. How many words did he read in 1 minute? We simply divide 252 by 6, and that gives us 42. How many words could he read out in 10 minutes? We just multiply 42 by 10, that gives us 420. And again for C, how many words will Mr. Hill read out in 25 minutes? 42 times 25 will give us 1,050. Here are Friday's questions, Year 5. Pause the video here to complete the work. Here come Friday's answers. So Mr. Hill managed to save £342 in 6 months. How much did he manage to save in 1 month? So to work this out, we divide 342 by 6, which tells us I've saved £57 each month. How much could I save over the course of 2 years? We know 1 year has 12 months, and we know how much we can save in 1 month. So 2 years would be 24 months. And we're multiplying that by 57, that gives us a total of £1,368. To work out how many years it will take me to save £3,420, we need to divide 3,420 by 57. That will tell us how many months it will take, which gives us a total of 60. And we know that each year has 12 months, and that 60 divided by 12 gives us a total of 5 years to save that much money. That's the end of our arithmetic for this week. Have a lovely weekend, Year 5, and we'll see you all again on Monday morning. Take care.